Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how to install Rstudio. First I am just going for this cran.r-project.org. So once when you get in there, you can check a lot of different versions are available for R, like Windows, Linux and Mac. So I'm going to install it for Windows. So once when you go to this base, so you are having this Windows, R for 4.0.2 for Windows, which is the latest version when I'm making this video. So and I'm clicking for this download. So once when I downloaded, I think you can install it in your machine. So here this is the default consoles which are available once when I'm opening my RStudio. You can see that you are having a lot of different options: R script, R notebook, R markdown, shiny web app, all those things, so which will be covered later in my videos. So the first console will contain the source script, the second console will contain the data whichever you are just typing here, and third one is the environmental variable where you can import the data sets from different datas which are available, formats which are available. And third one, you can install the package, right? You can install the package from CRAN. So you can just type any package which are readily available here. You can see a lot of packages are available. So if you have downloaded the package separately in some other folder in your laptop, you can go to that file and then you can click that zip file and install it over there, like here, which you have done. So I'm not doing it now. Okay. So and then you can go for the plots, the different plots which are available for your R script will be available here, and the help option is also available, and you can update all the packages also here if you want to do so. So a simple example, I'll just make it down. So I'm just checking whether RStudio is working. So I'm just typing empty cars. This empty cars is readily available in your RStudio, the data which are readily available. So I'm clicking here, you can see that the R script is, the empty cars is working, and I'm checking furthermore, I'm checking head of empty cars. This head of empty cars will tell me the first 6 data in the data set, you can see here. And in the second console also you can see that how much variables it's having. You can see here the list of data which are available here in the empty cars. So my RStudio is working fine now. So this is a simple way of installation and checking whether RStudio is working fine. And the second option which you have for working RStudio with the cloud, RStudio Cloud, is go to rstudio.cloud and you can log in with your Gmail ID. Once when you log in with your Gmail ID with your rstudio.cloud, so you have your workspace. You can see here workspace. It also contains 3 consoles here. The first console, the script, the source script console. The second console which is having import data sets, and third console which is mainly used for your packages, plots, which we've seen in the normal implementation. So here also I'm checking whether it's working fine. So I'm just checking this empty cars, and you can see it's working fine, right? My empty cars is working fine. Okay. So the main advantage of going for this R Cloud is you can add more project. You can do a project as a team here. Here it also contains a lot of workspaces. You can see here R script, R notebook, R markdown, shiny web app, everything, whatever you have seen here, you can do it here also. Okay. So I think I have cleared the maximum introduction part, installation part of your RStudio. I hope everyone like this video. Thank you.